Tell her.
Right.
In a loud, clear voice, so it's captured on film.
Pepe, José, espera. Escúchame.
Yes.
Escucha bien. I don't want photographs.
A ver si se pone celosa.
Espera, porque te voy a decir una cosa. I don't want photographs taken of me. And if you're going to take photographs of me, you're going to have to pay me. Because I am a star, and if you take photographs of me...
Está grabando.
Espera, no. If you take
Can I see your equity cards?
Dice que es una
I don't have to, but listen.
Pero
I
estrella
don't
de
want
qué?
You're not a star.
Gilipollas.
Live life normally. You're a nobody.
No,
Accept
excuse
it.
me.
Embrace it.
No, excuse me.
Es tu ilusión.
Wait a minute. The
Vale,
sigue. Hang on. You don't take photographs of me because it's not permitted, right?
I'm not forbidden.
No,
Okay.
you're not permitted to take.
That's easy for you to say.
Are you authorized?
That's only for the family.
Paparazzi. But I am the paparazzi.
Dile golfa.
You have no right. Oh, wait a minute. You have no right to take photographs.
Marco.
Right, hang on. Will you shut up? Right, I'm going to speak to him. Now, Slapper.
Tell it.
Dice, slapa.
No, yo no.
Slapa. Dile.
Que no, yo no.
Ah, no.
Wait.
Okay, lo que sí.
He has no right to take photographs of me, right? Billy loves me. Right. José.
Tú, mira, para hacer, mira,
Estoy
ya lo sabes.
que no sé qué hacer aquí.
Esto es lo que tienes que hacer. Tú no hagas ninguna tontería. Que no hagas una foto.
I'll be along with you tomorrow.
Wait. No.
Estate quieta, cógeme por detrás. Esto es.
Get up sorted. You've got 5 feet together. You'll never get home, the boys. Look at that one.
Está en el vídeo. Que yo no sé nada, Que se me ha desabrochado el pantalón solo. Que se me ha desabrochado. Solo.
What a sea it is! Only went to the toilet! ¡Qué escandalosa, ¡Qué escandalosa!
Mira, cuando...
A ver, ¡me voy a matar!
Can there be a pain in the ass and make you move?
No. This is too much like good fun.
No, just move on to the next chair, that's all. Me and your mum have work to do, you see.
¿Está? Te estoy diciendo las tetas.
No, chacho. Te doy una bloody hostia.
Bloody hostia. No sé qué hacer.
Ahora.